What's up, cooks? We have a brand new stand mixer in the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. This is the KICHOT mixer, and what's interesting about it is it's 8.5 quarts. So it's a big one. It's 800 watts and it's an all metal housing mixer. So join me. Let's take our first look at the KICHOT stand mixer and get this baby out of the box. So cooks, we have a stand mixer in the house. You know, this is my absolute favorite kitchen appliance is the stand mixer. You guys already know that, right? So I just want to take this opportunity to thank KICHOT for sponsoring this video. We're going to have a lot of fun playing with this mixer. I love just the first impressions of an appliance when we take it out of the box and we get to discover what that appliance has to offer. So we're going to do that right now with this mixer. You see how happy I get when there's a new stand mixer in the house? Right, Eric?
Sure.
I love mixers. They're a really handy tool to for the kitchen. It's a showpiece in the kitchen, right? Whoa.
You need a little help with that?
Yeah. So this is an all metal mixer, and it's pretty substantial. I can just tell by the box it's pretty substantial. So let me see. Eric, if you want to check out this mixer when we're done unboxing it, we're going to do a full Amy Learns to Cook test and review on it, but there'll be links down in the description for you to take a look at this. Can you get it out the box for me, Eric?
Booze appliance removal services. You got that, boo-boo? Is it holding together? She's gonna blow! I got it. Come on, lift it up.
Yeah.
Yay! All right. Now, what's fun being upside down? All right.
Ooh, okay. Let's see. So there's a little scraper paddle. These are really handy to have, particularly with mixers, because you always have to scrape to some extent. So let's see what we got here. Ooh. Woo. Sweet. This has got a really, really nice hefty stance to it already. You guys ready for the unveiling? It's obviously white, right? So it's a great color, nice neutral color for any kitchen.
It's 14 pounds net weight.
Yeah.
So it's a little heavy.
Woo!
Yay.
Yay! Sweet! This is a sweet looking mixer. So we have a splash guard, awesome. A cover for your flour. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Wow. Yeah, this is an 8-quart mixer.
Gee, Amy, what's this little piece?
Oh, yeah, there's a spring on here, so that's a positive thing to me. I like mixers that have springs on there. It holds the paddle and stuff tightly.
Every mixer that has one gets an extra point.
So, first thing, this is an 8.5-quart mixer. This is a big bowl on here for some nice sized batches. Really like the side handle, makes things to get easy out of the bowl. Wow, I'm liking that. Really, really liking that so far. Down here, this is just rubberized where the bowl goes, and we have notches here for how you put the bowl in. So you're going to put the bowl in like this. You're going to give it a quick turn. It's going to lock the bowl into place, nice and firm like. This is pretty cool. So we have a paddle. Here's the paddle for the mixer. We have a whisk. That's an all metal whisk. So here's our mesh. Ooh, nice tines on that. Nice and wide. And we have a dough hook. Dough hook.
Looks coated.
Yeah, it looks like it's coated. So let's see how this baby is. So let me plug this baby in. Okay, we got it all plugged in. So this mixer is a metal housing. It has a little vent right here to vent out the extra heat out of it. These things here are also metal, which I really like. Really nice, large size bowl. So this is your lever. We're going to go ahead and put the mixer down. And it has a pulse. And one. Has a nice one low speed. Has a light on here, looks like. Oh, maybe not. Nice. I'm digging it. So we have our whip. So we have a splash guard. And the whisk. So we have our splash guard on here. And there's our whisk. Let me take the splash guard off so we can see the whisk in there. So I've had it on for a little bit. I don't feel any warming on it at all. I'm actually really digging this mixer. It's surprising me. That's all I got to say. It is huge. Plenty of room for some nice sized batches. Has suction cups, but it's also a really substantial mixer. So I'm not sure, the suction cups just gives you that added stability. But it is a substantial mixer. So it's not like one of these ones that I feel like are going to walk around the counter. I mean, look at the size of that bowl. This is an 8.5 quart mixer. So we need to get this mixer a full Amy Learns to Cook workup on it. We're going to be looking at the overall look and feel. We're going to be using the paddle to make some cookies. We're going to use the whisk to see how it can do some whipped cream. We're going to use the dough hook, and make some bread dough. we're going to give it our thorough once over. So if you'd like to take a look at this mixer, I'll leave links down in the description. So I just want to thank KICHOT for sending this mixer and sponsoring today's video. Hold tight, we're going to do our full review on it, but so far it looks really interesting. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe below so you'll get notified of our uploads when we do stand mixer tests. Also, hit that like and let me know what you think about this mixer and what do you use your stand mixer for? What's your primary use for a stand mixer in your kitchen? Also, go out and visit me in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Pinterest and Twitter, you can catch me at Amy Learns to Cook. And also on Instagram, you can catch me at Cooking with Amy. So we got a new stand mixer in the house. Really, really nice. Look at this bowl. It's huge. I can't wait to give this baby a spin.